Hello guys, namaskar and welcome to Jazz Productions. Here I give top 5 updates, so let's check it today's top 5. So guys, today I gonna show up you top facts of COVID-19. So here I give small information about coronavirus. COVID-19 is a new virus which has spread quickly to many countries around the world, including Southern Africa. Knowing the facts about COVID-19 symptoms, how the virus spreads, and what you can do to stop it will help protect you and your community. There is a lot of misinformation about COVID-19, so it's important to check information has come from reliable source such as World Health Organization or your government health authority. Here are the top facts. Let's see it. Number 1. Will most people who get COVID-19 get very sick or die? This is fact. Most people who get COVID-19 will have a mild form of the illness and recover without needing professional medical care. Around 8 of every 10 people with COVID-19 will have mild symptoms. Around 1 in 6 people will become severely ill and need hospital care. Scientific modeling suggests that around 1 in 100 people who get COVID-19 will die. Number 2. Does COVID-19 only affect old people, meaning young people don't have to worry? Yeah, this is also fact. While COVID-19 can be more dangerous in older people and anyone can get it, including young people, some of who become seriously ill. While we don't yet fully understand why some people get more serious symptoms, we do know that young people are more likely to develop serious symptoms if they have certain underlying health condition, for example asthma, heart condition or untreated HIV. Number 3. Can COVID-19 spread in warm sunny weather? This is fact. COVID-19 can survive temperature higher than 25 degrees Celsius. You can catch it no matter how sunny and warm it is. So whatever the weather, you should follow the official advice to protect yourself from the virus. Getting out into the sunshine, if you can, is still a good idea, as this helps your body produce vitamin D, which is important for your immune system. Number 4. Will drinking lots of hot drinks stop COVID-19? No. There is no drink, hot or cold, that will protect you from COVID-19 or cure the illness. So far, there is no proven cure for COVID-19, but most people recover by themselves. Taking paracetamol, drinking lots of liquids, and getting enough rest can help you manage your symptoms. Number 5. Are people living with HIV more likely to get seriously ill? If you are living with HIV and on effective treatment, there is no evidence that you are at higher risk of developing serious COVID-19 symptoms. This is because your treatment will be keeping your immune system strong and your body able to deal with infection. If you are worried that you might have HIV, now is a good time to get tested so you can start treatment if you need it. So these are the facts about COVID-19. I hope you got some information about COVID-19. Use mask, sanitizer and maintain social distancing to be safe, and your family also. So stay home and stay safe. If you like the video, hit the like button and share this information to your community, and subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to get notified of the latest video.